Alright, now we're going to do a fun one. This is the Maestro, and it's a dimmer. Number on the thing is the MACL 153 MR. This one kind of has to do with the packaging, and they make companion dimmers where you can dim them more than one spot. I've not tried the 4-ways. I have done the 3-ways. I'm gonna do a demo on it here in just a little bit. But this one, I wanted to show you this one first because it's super crazy. Any of y'all electricians will kind of understand what I'm talking about when you see this. So how they want you to wire it is, we got Lamp Man over there, and everything works normal. So of course we have our greens, our green power coming in, black, white, green. Load going out, black, white, green. 3-way running over here is a 14-3. You have red, black, white, green. So to make this easy, your greens all tied together right here for your load. Your 3-way 14-3 coming out and the line. So all these hook together. Your light, the load, and the load on your neutral right here. These two tied together. And now for the kind of crazy part, the load will tie to the black, and this is kind of normal, what you would normally do. So you would have these two running over here. The black is going to go to the black screw like it always does. You're going to have a brass screw, and you're going to have a blue screw. Your white that I'm using here, the white and the red on this brass screw, ties in with a power going back to the light, and then your red runs over to the blue screw. Or normally your 3-way, this guy would go on your other brass. If you put it on the other brass, it will not work. You have to have it on the load. This one here goes back out, ties in here, and goes to our load. This one goes to the brass screw on the dimmer. It is kind of crazy. And then you also have to program this, and how you're going to program it. For a 3-way multiple switches, you're going to hold this one and this one. They're calling this one T, this one R, this one L. So you're going to hold these two together. It's going to blink. Most of the time when you're first setting them up, it'll stay in the middle. You want the bottom one, so you just kind of hit the R until it goes to the bottom, and then you want to tap that T, and then now you're set up for the 3-ways. That is super crazy at how this one hooks into that. And we'll get this guy hooked up on the other dimmer and show you that one.